Good. Eating vegetables is good for your health. Bad. It's a bad idea to run outside during a thunderstorm. High. The airplane flies high above the clouds. Low. They set a low cost for the admission tickets. Big. We need a big box to pack all these books. Small. The kitten is too small to leave its mother yet. Heavy. This suitcase is too heavy for me to carry. Light. A feather is very light. Expensive. That car is too expensive for me to afford. Cheap. I found a cheap pair of shoes at the store. Old. This is an old building with a lot of history. New. I got a new phone for my birthday. Beautiful. The sunset was absolutely beautiful. Ugly. The troll was a big, ugly creature. Clean. Please wash your hands before you eat, they are not clean. Dirty. The pig came inside all dirty after playing in the mud. Easy. This math test was very easy. Difficult. Climbing Mount Everest is a very difficult task. Fast. The car was driving too fast down the street. Slow. The turtle moved very slow. Different. These two paintings are very different. Similar. My brother and I look very similar. Right. It's the right thing to help others in need. Wrong. Stealing is wrong. Open. With an open mind, she approached the challenging problem, determined to find a creative solution. Closed. The store is closed on Sundays. True. It's true that the earth is round. False. It's false to say that cats hate water. Rich. The lottery winner became very rich. Poor. Many families in the world live in poverty. Sure. Are you sure you want to go outside? It's raining. Unsure. I'm unsure about what movie to watch. Correct. Your answer to the question is correct. Incorrect. The teacher explained why the student's answer was incorrect.
Remember, the key to mastering these words is practice, practice, practice. Don't forget to like this video and follow my channel for more engaging English lessons with pictures. Until next time, happy learning!